Okay friends, the first thing we're going to do is draw a portrait. To draw a portrait, start by drawing a large U in the middle of your paper. I like to practice with my finger first. When I've got it, I pick up my marker and draw. This is going to be the face of my portrait. Next, I'm going to draw the eyes. Right up here at the top of my U, I'm going to draw two little football shapes. Got one, practice with my finger, and then I can draw the other. Now we're going to add the iris or colored part of the eye. So I'm going to add a circle. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, practice with my finger. When I feel like I've got it, draw a circle. Now we're going to draw the pupil. So I'm going to draw another circle with a tiny little circle inside it. Then I'm going to color the rest in. Then over here I'm going to do the same thing. Draw a circle with a tiny little circle inside it and color it in. If you want, you can give your portrait some eyelashes. And then you can give it some eyebrows, the lines above the eyes. Next, we're going to move on to the nose. I'm going to draw my nose right here, and it's just an upside down 7. Just like that. Then, in this space, you can draw the mouth. You can draw a happy mouth, a sad mouth, and in the middle mouth. However you want to draw the mouth is up to you. I'm going to draw a big old smile. Now, my person is missing some ears. So right here, I'm going to draw a little C shape. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Now my portrait needs a neck. So I'm going to draw 2 lines straight down. I practice with my finger. When I feel like I've got it, I pick it up and draw. Notice my lines didn't go all the way to my bottom of my paper. They've got some space. Then I'm going to connect these with a U shape. And then I'm going to add some straight lines for shoulders. Now I'm almost done. All I have to do is add hair. So you can draw your hair however you want. I'm going to draw my hair, which has bangs, and then a big part up here, and it comes down around my shoulders. If I want to add some lines, I can add some lines too. So there we have it. That's how you draw a portrait. Sign my name on it. I'm ready to do the fun part, which is add colors. What I'm going to do is take a piece of tissue paper, put it on my paper, then get my paintbrush wet, and I'm just going to paint this tissue paper with water. As I paint it with water, the tissue paper is going to stick to my paper. Then I'm going to get another piece of tissue paper, press it down, clean off my brush, and paint it with water. And I'm going to fill up my whole page with little pieces of tissue paper. Now that I've covered my entire paper and tissue paper, I'm ready for the big reveal. What I'm going to do is carefully, very carefully, peel off the tissue paper, and I can see all the color was left behind. I want to make sure I get all that tissue paper, and there we have it. a portrait that looks like I've just been at the Holi Festival. Now it's your turn. Have fun, amazing artists.